Well, we've got blizzard-like conditions in Chicago. This is pretty bad. Probably the worst I've seen. And it's awesome. Barely see the car in front of me. That's cool. I'm heading to the industrial part for parking lots that need donuts. Well, I bottomed out right there. Had to get out and shovel a little bit. I think it's mostly from lack of clearance since I got the WX suspension. So I've lost about 2 inches of clearance. So, foot deep. It's okay, I was hoping I'd do a little bit better, but it is uphill, so maybe that's it. Oh well. Guess I won't be able to find the industrial park, and I'm gonna have to back out quite a bit to get out of here. Well, I managed to get turned around. So now I'm going the wrong way on a street. But, okay. Wow, my tracks from coming up here are already gone. I have to figure out a time to cut back over to the right lane. Can't even see the right lane over there. Wow, that wind is actually pushing me to the side. Wow, this is pretty crazy. One of the other crazy things is it's so windy that if the ground is cold enough, the snow blows right over it. So there's actually patches of road with no snow on them. Part of it's because of the plowing, but once it's been plowed, that snow doesn't stick because it's so windy. I gotta say, it's actually a lot easier to see when there's no streetlights. Your eyes can actually see a lot better with less light. Otherwise, everything just gets washed out. See, in the dark, it's easier to see other cars too. If there's too much light, ambient light, it's hard to see their lights, but in the dark, their lights shine bright. Now for some donuts. Quick survey of the area, make sure there's no hidden curbs or anything. Oh wow, that is slick. Not enough power in this thing. There we go, that's better.